Hello everyone, this is Hitesh. In today's class, we will discuss the last two questions of exercise 6.3. Okay, so let's get started. Now we will continue to exercise 6.3 question number 5. In figure, PQ is perpendicular on PS, so this angle is 90. Okay, PQ is parallel to SR. Angle SQR, this angle is 28 degree, and angle QRT, this exterior angle, it is 65 degree. Then find the values of X and Y. Okay, the solution is, now it is given PQ is parallel to SR, PQ is parallel to SR, and QR is a transversal line. PQ is parallel to SR and QR is a transversal line. QR is a transversal line. So angle 65 and angle X plus 28 will form alternate interior angles. Okay, so angle X plus 28 is equal to 65 degree angle. Okay, alternate interior angles. Okay, X plus 28 is equal to 65 degree angle. Alternate interior angles. Okay, so here we can find the value of X by transpose 28 from one side to another side, so it will negative. So value of angle X will be 65 minus 28 degree. Okay, so it will be 37 degree. So the value of X we have got 37 degree. Okay, now in triangle PQS, using angle sum property, in triangle PQS using angle sum property, okay, so angle P is 90 because PQ is perpendicular on PS. Okay, so angle P plus angle PQS means angle X. We can write also angle X here. ठीक है, angle PQS is equal to angle S. ठीक है, and angle PSQ, it is given angle Y is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now angle P, it is 90 degree. ठीक है, angle X we have calculated, so put this value here, so it will 37, and angle Y we have to find out. Okay, and it is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now 90 plus 37, it will be 7, and 9 3 12, so it will 127 degree, plus angle Y is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now transpose 127 from one side to another side, so it will negative. So the angle Y will be 180 minus 127. ठीक है, so it will be equal to 53 degree. So the angle Y will be 53 degree. Okay, so I think this question is clear to all of you. Okay, now question number 6 is, in figure the side QR of triangle PQR is produced to a point S. If the bisector of angle PQR and angle PRS meet at a point T, then prove that angle QTR, this angle, is equal to half of this angle. Okay, half of angle QPR. Okay, the solution is, let the angle PQR is equal to 2x. Okay, and angle PRS is equal to 2y. Okay, now it is given QT is the bisector of angle PQR. ठीक है, given QT is a bisector of angle PQR. ठीक है, so these two angles PQT, this angle, okay, and angle PQR will be equal to each other and the value of this angle is equal to 2x by 2. ठीक है, 2x by 2, so it will x. ठीक है, so angle PQT, this angle PQT, ठीक है, and angle TQR is equal to 2x by 2. ठीक है, half of angle PQR, and angle PQR we have taken 2x, so it will, ठीक है, 2x by 2, so after cancellation it will be x. ठीक है, similar TR is the bisector of angle PRS. ठीक है, and TR is a bisector of angle PRS. ठीक है, so angle PRT, this angle, and angle TRS will be equal to each other. Okay, and the value of this angle will be 2y by 2. ठीक है, 2y by 2. So angle PRT and angle TRS both are equal to each other. ठीक है, and the value of this angle will be 2y by 2. 2 से 2 cancel out, so it will y. ठीक है, so these two angles x and x, and these two angles y and y. ठीक है, okay. Now see the figure in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, using exterior angle property, using exterior angle property. ठीक है, in triangle PQR, angle PRS is a exterior angle. Angle PRS is a exterior angle, and this exterior angle is y plus y, that is 2y. ठीक है, so angle PRS is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. ठीक है, so it will be equal to PQR plus angle QPR. okay, now angle PRS is equal to 2y, PQR is equal to 2x. ठीक है, so put these values here. okay, so it will 2y is equal to 2x plus angle QPR. ठीक है, now transpose 2x from one side to another side, so it will minus. ठीक है, so 2y minus 2x is equal to angle QPR. right, take 2 as a common, so the terms will form inside the bracket will be y minus x is equal to angle QPR. ठीक है, now transpose 2 from one side to another side, so it will divide, so y minus x will be half of angle QPR. okay, this is equation number 1. okay, now see the triangle TQR. in triangle TQR, using exterior angle property, in triangle TQR, using exterior angle property. okay, using exterior angle property, so see this triangle TQR, तो angle TRS, this is exterior angle. ठीक है, angle TRS exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angle, so it will TQR. okay, TQR this angle. ठीक है, plus angle QTR plus angle QTR. ठीक है, now angle TRS, this angle is y. ठीक है, angle TQR this angle is x. ठीक है, plus QTR we have to find out. okay, now transpose x, so it will negative, so y minus x is equal to angle QTR. this is equation number 2. okay, now put the value of y minus x from equation 2 to equation 1. okay, put the value of y minus x, ठीक है, from equation 2 in equation number 1. okay, put the value of y minus x from equation 2 in equation number 1. ठीक है, so it will angle QTR is equal to half of angle QPR. ठीक है, because the value of y minus x, it is angle QTR, so we have replaced this value by angle QTR. Okay, so angle QTR is equal to half of angle QPR. Okay, hence proved. Okay, so I think this question is clear to all of you. Okay, so now this is sufficient for today. Okay,